Welcome to Laraib Decor Diaries. Do you feel like your small bedroom is cluttered and uninspiring? Today I'm showing you 3 simple decor hacks to transform your space into a luxury sanctuary. First, always go for light-colored bedding. It reflects natural light and makes any room feel instantly bigger. Second, add a large mirror. It's an old trick, but it works wonders for creating an illusion of depth. And third, don't ignore vertical space. Use floating shelves to keep the floor clear and organized. Which of these tips was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to follow Laraib Decor Diaries for more home inspiration. See you in the next diary entry.